Hey everybody, today I'm doing a rinseless maintenance wash and coating the windshield on this 21 Mustang Mach E that I coated almost 8 months ago, but the windshield got replaced. I got some DP waterless wash here. Go ahead and pre-soak the car starting with the front. Got 2 buckets full of water. This is my rinse bucket here. I got about 3 gallons in there, and this one has 4 gallons. That's my wash bucket. Using Wolfgang Uber Rinseless Wash. And it says to add 1 ounce to 3 gallons, so I'm going to put slightly more than 1 ounce. 1 ounce and a third exactly. So there's an ounce. I'm going to fill it up to about a third, about right there. I got a new Chanel wash mitt. I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. Let that soak for a little bit. I start out by using a microfiber soaked in the rinseless wash just to get the bugs off without getting them all into the bucket. The car is coated in Apex metal oxide coating, so these bugs come right off. Okay, so you get your wash mitt in the solution. Bring it out a little bit, so like that. Watch as the rinseless solution just sheets right off the panel. Rinse. Then use the microfiber drying towel. So I dumped the rest of my rinseless solution into my wheel bucket. Now I'm going to clean the wheels. And for the tires, I'm going to use Super Clean 4-to-1 and a foamer. I start by foaming up the tire. Next is the fender wells. Then the barrel of the wheel. Followed by the wheel face. And finally scrub the tire. Then rinse the tire with the solution to neutralize the soap. Then a clean microfiber to dry it off. Then finish off with a graphene sealant and a graphene tire shine. Alright, I'm going to polish the windshield now before I coat it. Just using my DeWalt 5-inch brushless polisher with a Lake Country orange CCS pad and some Pinnacle Black Label pulp. Alright, so now I'm going to apply my Rehydra sheet. I got a damp microfiber here. Just going to spray one spray into the towel. Apply it with this, and then I have a 450 GSM to buff it off. Instantly super glossy and slick. You can just hear the hangar door shaking from how windy it was outside. I'm going to prep the windshield with this Pinnacle Black Label Diamond Surface Prep Spray. It was instantly super grabby, so I know there's nothing left on there. Something happened to my camera while I was coating the windshield, and I don't have the footage. And here's the results.